Hello guys, in this video I'll talk about top best niches in which you can start your blogging. Niche selection is one of the most important part of starting a blog, because if you are selecting any of the niche which is not in demand on the market, then there is no point of investing your time on working on that particular blog. So in this video I'll tell you top 10 niches in which you can work and you can earn hell lot of money from your blog. So make sure you watch the full video. Welcome guys, I am Tapesh from tapeshchowdhury.com, and if you are watching me for the very first time, make sure you subscribe and also like my video, and it will help me to it will motivate me to create new videos for you people. In this channel I talk about make money online, working from home and different other cool stuffs by which you can make a good amount of income at the end of the month or maybe at the end of the year. First topic of our list is parenting and newborn babies are getting trends because people are getting educated and they want to give good education to their child. They want to give a value in their child's life and they want to take care of their child in various perfect way. People are getting much more educated, and in this case parenting and newborn blogs are getting much more exposure because people are searching their solutions online and people are finding their blogs. And if you want to start your new blog and if you have a baby or if you have some experience of parenting, how to become a good papa, how to become a good mother, anyways you can start your blog in this niche. Second, and that is evergreen niche, is health and fitness. Health and fitness is always on trends. People are always in issues with their health and fitness. They will always look for resolutions online, or they will find your blog. So in our third niche is lifestyle bloggers are earning extremely well, because in if you search for any lifestyle blogger in Google or in Yahoo or any search engine, maybe in Instagram, you can see hell lot of people are engaging them because everyone wants to improve their lifestyle. Quality of life is automatically getting improved if you are following some certain of rules. So people wants to improve their lifestyle. People wants to improve their current scenario. They want to become better. So always lifestyle blogs are super engaging. They are so profitable as well, because there are a lot of products. If you sell affiliate products, there are a lot of products available online which you can promote, which you can sell in your lifestyle blog. Fourth niche in blogging is home decor. Home decor is one of the beautiful thing which has grown last few years, from last few years. And if you are starting your blog in home decor or any DIY stuffs, you will get very much exposure, because people loves that. People wants to improve their decoration. They want to decorate their home. Home decor blogs are getting much more exposure as of now, because people are searching for their how to decorate room, how to decorate office, how to decorate their photo frames or whatever DIY stuffs. Home decor, it will be always on trend because people will search for that. And next blogging idea is personal finance. If you are good at managing your finance, if you have some knowledge about personal finance or how to make someone's finance better, you can write post on that. You can create a blog on that particular niche. People will always have issues with their finance, with their current status, with their income. So if you can provide them a value by creating a blog post, people will love it, because personal finance management, and there are a lot of financial advising articles, videos which is already available in internet, and people will need this kind of helps. And next blogging idea is food and recipes. People will search for their recipes. For example, you are good in cooking, you are good in managing how to make different delicious foods. You can write that recipe in your blog. People will search it, people will find your blog, and you can earn lot of money from food blog as well. Even if you search for any food bloggers on Instagram you will find hell lot of people are doing that, and in Google of course there are plenty of thousands of people who are doing the same thing, and they are earning good amount of money from food blogging. So food blogging is one of the thing which people loves, and those people kind of me, like I'm kind of foodie to be very honest, and I love to test different kind of foods, and to be very honest I know how to cook little bit, and I always try by watching some videos in YouTube, by reading some articles like how to prepare a chicken, how to prepare some different other stuffs. So food blogging will be always on trend because people will need food every single day, and people like me, those people are foodie, they will always love to taste different kind of foods. So next blogging idea, next blogging niche is beauty and fashion. Beauty and fashion has always been on the trend from very long time, because in if you search for any actress or any actor, so they are on fashion industry. Fashion and beauty industry is always on. Next blogging idea is personal development. People will love it because people need to develop their personality, people need to develop their self, people need to develop the people wants to become better every single day. There are plenty of people, if you are creating blog, if you are creating an article like how to improve yourself, how to manipulate people's, how to give a speech, how to start a presentation, this will go viral because people will need it, people will need this kind of information. If you are good at any kind of personality development skills, you can always write an article in your blog, and you can earn a huge amount of money from this kind of articles, because these are all things which is trending always. And if you are very good at, you can make a course and you can sell that on your blog. This is so important, this is so beautiful actually. You have to write couple of articles and then you can push your course, and once people are buying a you will have a lot of money from this kind of niche. Next in our list is travel blog. If you are searching for, if you are a good traveler, if you have a good amount of images in your gallery, you can use them as you can use them to guide people. This is most important. Like for example, if you have been in somewhere, maybe in Australia, maybe in South Africa, in some places, you can guide them like how to go there, how to, what are all the things you need to have, and you give the affiliate link of hotels, then flights, then trains, then whatever the transportation, like how you have been there, you can share your experience, and people loves to travel. Even if you ask me, I love to travel. And for example, I am planning to go to somewhere, maybe out of my state or maybe out of my country. So before planning my travel, before making a plan to travel in some other different country, so I have to make a plan, I have to go through the checklist, right? So before getting the checklist, I'll always search for some resolution. I'll always go to this recommendation of those people who has already been there in that particular place. This is important part. So this is where if you have travel bloggers, traveling channels, vloggers actually, if you say in YouTube, you will find a lot of people who are doing vlogs. Okay, so they are earning huge of amount of money, people loves it, people will, those people who wants to travel the world and wants to earn money, for them travel blogging is the best option, is the best niche, and it will be always on demand. And in the last niche is always tech review. So if I talk about tech review, reviewing of any gadgets, reviewing of any mobile, reviewing of anything, whatever. So if you love to, if you are a techie guy, if you have some knowledge about any tech devices, it may be a printer, it may be a watch, it may be a thermometer, whatever. If you can review the products, if you can just have to give the value to the person who is reading this article. This is what main concept of blog. Okay, so for example, you are giving a review of Apple Watch, so you have to list it down, that pros and cons, then you can give the buying link, the affiliate link of the product, and you will get money from that. So in today's date, if you are earning, if you are thinking to earn from blog, it's not at all that much easy, that much tough, but it's not that much easy as well. So you have to be consistent in your articles, you have to write articles every single day. So in order to start your blog, you have to get your domain and hosting. I have given the description, I have given the link of Bluehost. You will get 60% off and free domain, free SSL certificate. You can use it and you can start your blog starting from today itself. So you have to take action. Apart from that, if you have any ideas to start your blog, if you have any other niche in which you are successful, you can always mention in the comment description section. Also, you can follow me on Instagram, you can message me on Instagram, and I'll try my level best to help you people so that you can become a better version of yourself. If you want to start earning, if you want to create a blog, this is the high time, guys. Please make sure you take action. Without taking action, you won't be able to change your life, you won't be able to change your financial status. So this is important. You have to take action, you have to work on your passion, you have to work on your ethics. This is very important of bloggers doesn't becomes in a single day. It takes a lot of work, it takes a lot of passion, it takes a lot of mental stability. And the people who are with this kind of mentality, people who are with the passion, they earns a lot. So I think I was able to create a video, create a value in this video. If you think I was create a value in your life, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Till then, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.